Hello students, today we are here with these questions as you can see on the screen, right? Your question is what? The if the equation ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0 has distinct real roots, right? Has distinct real roots, but both the roots are negative here. Both the roots are negative here. And now you can see the option A, B, C and D are given, so you have to tell which is the correct option, right? So here, so with this statement what we can understand, both the roots are negative, right? So means what we can say, we can make the case, right? When case is A is positive, listen carefully, when A is positive, then how we can draw the graph? When A is positive, then graph can be like this, right? And you can see that here both the roots should be negative, so here it is alpha and here it is beta, right? ये दोनों जीरो के पीछे है, right? So alpha and beta both are negative. This is the first case, right? And the second case we can have A is negative. When A is negative, then how we can draw the graph? We can draw the graph like this, right? So now you can see here A negative, so here it is downward, right? And both the roots are negative, here it is alpha and here it is beta, right? So now you have to tell the sign of A, B, C. So A is very clear here, okay? In the case 1, let's write here case 1 and here it is case 2, okay? So here in case 1, A is positive and C is also positive. You can see this curve cuts y-axis at this particular point, and this point is what? Above the origin, right? Here it is above the origin, so C will also be positive, right? And now the B, as you know that this is the vertex of parabola, this is the vertex of parabola, right? So this is the vertex of parabola, so the coordinate of this point is what? Minus b by 2a, right? And minus d by 4a. This is the coordinate of what? This is the vertex of parabola, coordinate of vertex, right? So this point is what? This point is nothing but minus b by 2a, minus b by 2a. And as you know the students, here it is minus b by 2a, this will be less than equals to 0. Why? Because it is left to origin, okay? Now you see here A is already positive, right? So if it is positive, then definitely it will be multiplied by 0, right? So what will happen? Minus b less than 0, and here it is minus b, but we have to find the sign of b, right? So what you will do, just to remove this minus sign, both the side you will multiply by the negative, right? Minus. So when you multiply, then what will happen? Sign will get changed, right? So now here b is positive, and as you know the rules of inequality, when you multiply and divide both the side by any negative number, then what will happen? Sign of inequality will get changed, right? So with this what we have understood, that A is positive, right? C is positive and B is also positive, right? So the case 1 is clear that A, B, C all are positive, right? So now let us come to the case 2. Now case 2 is very clear that A is negative. Why? Because it is downward parabola, right? Okay. And C is what here? See here, this curve cuts y-axis at this point, right? Which is below the origin, right? So C will be what? Negative. So C will be negative. The C is also clear here. Okay. Now let us come to the B. B is what? This point. So this point is what? Minus B by 2a. And as you know, this is the vertex of parabola. So here it is minus b by 2a. So minus b by 2 is what? Less than 0. Why? Again, this point is left to origin, right? So minus b by 2a will be what? Less than 0. Okay. And here it is a negative. Okay. Understand very clearly. Here a is negative. If a is negative, then this negative and negative positive, right? So what will happen then? B by 2a will be, entire expression will be positive, right? This. So this will be multiplied, right? So what we can write then? B less than 0. So now here B less than 0, C less than 0 and A less than 0. In this case 1, A positive, C positive and B positive. Now tell me which is the right option. So your A is the correct option. So here it is written A, B, C must be of same sign, right? I hope you have understood this concept, right? Thank you so much.